Hi friends, this video shows how to find all free action games in the PlayStation Store. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to Games. Select Games tab from top left corner. Go to PlayStation Store. Now we are inside PlayStation Store. Here go to top. On top go to right side and set Browse tab. Then go down. Now on left side you can see one option, sort and filter. Select it. Go to price. Here we have to select free. Then go back. Then select category. Select action. Done. Then go back. See, now we are seeing all free action games in the PlayStation Store. Now from this list we can select one game. Then select download, so that way we can download and install this game in PS5. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.